Labour-controlled constituency Brent Council found itself in the High Court for a summary hearing to hear accusations levelled against them for allegedly removing the protective covenant of the Bridge Park complex in order to sell its land to developers General Mediterranean Holdings. A move that would undoubtedly deny its African and Caribbean constituency members the legitimate owners of the needed community asset. To stop the impending sale, community representatives successfully lodged an application to the Land Registry to restrict Brent Council from proceeding with an intended sale of the Bridge Park site.
We are here challenging the sale of the land and the ownership of the land. We are not interested in 6-lane swimming pools. We are not saying those things aren't important, but that is what this battle is not about.
This is directly linked to what I do with the Black Child Agenda. We see our children dying on the streets every day. I live in Brent, so I see what Brent have done. They've sold every single piece of land, whether it's been owned by us as a community or not. Some of us are paying or having to look to pay £95 an hour just to hire somewhere to make sure our young people are safe and off the streets. This is why this campaign is important.
What it was is that Brent has been trying to knock out our case before it gets heard because they don't want evidence that we hold to be made public. So and we can't make it public before the bail case. Right. So this was a way for them to get their evidence into court, but to have it quashed there. So this is a technicality to try to fling out the case before the evidence can be heard. Right. So the outcome of this case is that there is no outcome yet.
At the end of the day, we have to be reminded that that building, the funds raised, the fact that it was managed by, all the things that took place there was by the community, for the community. Brent didn't build the building, Brent didn't raise funds for the building. The community came together, raised those funds for the building. Yes, admittedly, some of those funds did come from Brent, a very small proportion, but everything else was the community.
I feel our main points that we came in, that we are beneficiaries, we are a charitable trust, we have charitable status, and Bridge Park was, HBCC was central in raising those funds. It could not have been done without us. I don't think they defeated any of those points. Those points stand as we stand.
All right. Now, they may be feeling as if we have made some progress in the sense that the judge appeared to be somewhat sympathetic to the cause. However, you know, I would caution us and caution our people, again, not to get too happy under these circumstances because, you know, I've been sufficiently privy to enough cases to see that even when we have a very, very compelling case, be it in this type of arena or criminal cases or whatever the case, take the case of Marcus Messiah Garvey as an instance. When I read his testimony and looked at that trial, it was so beautiful and powerful, the argument put by the Honourable Marcus Messiah Garvey, yet in the end he was still found guilty against all of the evidence, the true evidence of that case. So I'm not one of these people who gets too excited. I'm one of the people who say to black people, we must learn to fight. We must learn how to understand that our enemy is not playing by the same rules that we're playing by. And so I reserve judgment and wait until this judge says whether or not this can go to trial. And then even then, it's another fight. We must understand that we're involved in what's called a war of attrition. It's not something that we can get all happy about when we win one of the aspects of the battle. We want to win the war.
Keep it locked to Street News for more information.